Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this case study, our group want to present about the smart building. We have choose I am Siti Nur Halili and two others group member Ahmad Nur Shauki and Yona Veswari. Smart building have been considered long run of building. These are able of interfacing different pieces of a building into a coordinate, energetic and useful framework that can expand to put through a building to the environment and the electrical framework it exists inside to supervise, optimize, minimize, vitally cost and revive a building natural effect. Two things that can set a smart building apart from a conventional building with conventional command and control arrangement is the possibility for granular information checking and progress analytic. This will be accomplished through the utilize of the Internet of Things, which is IoT, which can collect information around nearly any, if not each, angle of building operation and permit a building chief or administrator to screen the control and power quality, the condition of a building's hardware and present upkeep to health, disappointment in habitants level and vitality measurement. By and large talking, smart building can be broken into three conceivable positions, which are smart plan, smart development, and smart building administration. Kin plan incorporate the utilize of algorithmic apparatus to assist plan a building with modern utilization pattern and discover way to plan building to be more vitality proficient. Smart building development, on the other hand, work to develop of modern building with the utilize of innovation to spare time, cash, and asset. Where areas when most individual talk of kin building, they allude to the management of the building. This can be in portion since the guarantees of the kin buildings can be expanded through administration to existing building with the retrofitting of IoT and observing gadget to the gain a more seasoned building the same usefulness as a building plan with the usefulness in intellect.
Sustainable building. Sustainable building design principle go beyond to find a way to improve energy, water, and environment efficiency in green building or smart building. First, we have optimized site potential, which is we use to optimize site potential refer to location, orientation, installation, and landscaping of the project. Next, conserve and safeguard water resources, which is a fresh water is increasingly scarce resource, and sustainable building design incorporate water efficiency feature that protect and conserve the water. Next, energy usage. Improve energy usage tell us and teach us to use the electricity in a very optimal way and not waste any volt of it. Number 4, maximize the building material use, which is we have to use reusable and recyclable building material during the project. Next, enhance indoor environment quality, IEQ, which is we can make the building have a maximized natural light, offer suitable ventilation, enhance in acoustic performance, and avoid high VOC emission materials. 6. Improve operational and maintenance procedure, which is architect, engineer, and contractor can collaborate to specify system and material that streamline operation procedures and reduce maintenance requirement.
The smart building we have choose is the Petronas Twin Tower, which is in Kuala Lumpur. The Petronas Twin Tower are one of the most famous smart buildings in Malaysia. Okay, next is sustainability in civil engineering, divide to investigation on sustainable material and principle. Okay, so we talk about in material. We are customarily utilizing solid brick, concrete, and wood in development. They have been and proceed to be utilized in ordinary development, meaning the proceed annihilation of tree for timber and of meaning of asset to create cement for authorities sand, rope, and brick. For decent better, a much better, higher, stronger, and improve. For a higher word, they are unused form and feasible as well as green building fabric option that can be utilized in development nowadays.
Sustainable building design principle. Sustainable building design principles go beyond finding ways to improve energy, water, and environment efficiencies in green buildings or smart buildings. Those play a significant role. First is optimize site potential. Proper site selection is essential for achieving sustainable design project success. Whether you are designing a new building or retrofitting an existing structure that is true, optimal site potential refers to location, orientation, installation, and landscaping. It covers how the building will affect local ecosystem, energy use, and conservation method. The site of a sustainable building should reduce control and or treat stormwater runoff. According to the World Building Design Guide (WBDG), sustainable commit if possible strive to support native flora and fauna of the region in the landscape design. Second is conserve and safeguard water resource. Fresh water is an increasingly scarce resource. Sustainable building design incorporate water efficient fixtures that protect and conserve water. You can do this by choosing bathroom fixtures and fittings that focus on conserving water. Next is number 3. Improve energy usage. Natural gas and electricity are the two predominant energy sources in commercial buildings. They account for roughly 93% of the total consumed energy. Electricity is the primary energy source, while natural gas consumption accounts for only about 11% of the total energy usage. In commercial buildings, some electrical products such as lighting, refrigeration, and ventilation use the most energy. Computers and office equipment take up less than 50%, and spacing heating takes up the least energy. Knowing how the electricity gas used in a commercial building helps engineers and architects design buildings that consume less energy and become net zero energy building. Improving the energy performance of existing structure and newly constructed building will help increase the nation's energy independence. It will also reduce the country's dependence on fossil fuels. Next, number 4 is the maximize building material use. This principle entails using reusable and recycled building materials during sustainable building construction. Engineers and architects design these structures to use and reuse material sustainability and productively throughout the building's life cycle. Next is NS Indoor Environmental Quality (IEQ). A building indoor environmental quality (IEQ) significantly impacts occupant comfort, health, and productivity. Sustainability building maximizes natural light, offers suitable ventilation, enhance acoustic performance, and avoid high work emissions materials. Also, modification to the HVAC system can improve commercial air quality.
In conclusion, I believe smart building is a very good way of improvement to our civil field to create a better life with a better way of life. This is all from us. Thank you.